Now that we have took the lesson of arithmetic sequence, we're gonna talk about its rules. The first is done by using only A1 and D values, which are A1 or X1 the first value and the common difference D. An will be equal to A1 plus n minus 1 D. An is the nth term of the sequence. A1 is the first term of the sequence. N is the number of the term, and D is the common difference. You're gonna see some example, page 64, number 2 on your book. Another rule will be by writing the rule when we know only a given when we are only given the arithmetic. There we have to determine first A1, which is the first term, and D, the common difference. So we have to substitute A1 and D values in the formula An equal A1 plus n minus 1 D. We're gonna simplify the equation. So here we have to write a rule for the nth term for the arithmetic sequence, which have the first term 50, 44, 38, 32, etc. A1, the first term, equal 50 and A2 equal 44. Then the common difference is equal to 44 minus 50, or 38 minus 44, and it's equal to minus 6. An equal 50 plus n minus 1 into minus 6, because An equal A1 plus n minus 1 D. So An equal 50 plus minus 6 n plus 6, and finally An is equal minus 6 n plus 56. So now we have to write a rule when we know some terms in the arithmetic sequence and the common difference. The first thing that we have to do is to find A1, which is the first term, by substituting the given information into An equal A1 plus n minus 1 D. Then we have to substitute A1 and D values into An equal A1 plus n minus 1 D. Then we have to simplify the equation. And finally, it's when you have to write a rule when you only know two terms in the arithmetic sequence. So first you have to write a system of equations, equation 1 and equation 2. The equation 1, substitute the largest n into An equal A1 plus n minus 1 D. In the second equation, you have to substitute the smallest n into An equal A1 plus n minus 1 D. Then you have to simplify each equation. Then subtract the equations, equation 1 minus equation 2, to find the common difference D. Then you have to substitute the value of D into the equation 2, the smallest equation, to find A1. Then substitute the value of a1 and d into an equal a1 plus n minus 1d to finally simplify the equation. So as a small application, you have to write a rule for the nth term of an arithmetic sequence when you have a6 equal 10 and a21 equal 55. And here is the solution for the last exercise. And now you can work in page 64 the numbers 3, 4, 5 and 6.